Step into a world of innovation and skill as we unveil a mesmerizing compilation of machines that make the extraordinary seem effortless. From thermal walls that keep your home cozy year-round, to robotic wall makers that build with incredible efficiency. Each moment showcases the remarkable feats of technology and human expertise. Tired of your house being hot in the summer and chilly in the winter? Check out this thermal wall in action. These workers are applying it to a house. It keeps your place comfy in summer by blocking the heat and cozy in winter by retaining warmth. This machine is designed to seamlessly blend concrete. It autonomously loads sand and concrete. Then a worker adds cement and water. In mere seconds, the machine expertly combines the ingredients into a cohesive paste. Notice those drainage areas on the roadside. While it would take workers a lot of time to create them manually, this machine does the same job much faster. When it comes to digging in your wall for wiring, the Max Ripper machine transforms hours of work into minutes. Check out this incredible machine. It is surely a game changer for repairing street cracks. With this tool, creating large, sturdy walls is simpler than ever. It also adds reinforcing lines alongside the plaster for added strength. Witness the incredible efficiency of this time-saving robot that swiftly constructs walls. This amazing machine, equipped with a rotating blade, ensures exceptional plaster finishing for both walls and floors. Prepare to be amazed. This machine adds stunning designs to concrete surfaces after construction, transforming their appearance. Here we have a handle-shaped tool that can effortlessly lift multiple bricks, weighing up to 30 kilograms at once. Introducing the MR manhole machine, a hero against lost drain lids. With a protective cover and swift clockwise rotation, it retrieves lids in an instant, replacing them effortlessly with new ones to keep the streets clean and safe. Prepare to be amazed by the plaster spray machine. In just moments, it covers entire walls with incredible speed and force, transforming hours of labor into mere minutes. This barrel mover revolutionizes handling numerous barrels, dramatically cutting down deploying and removal time. In the military, when soldiers need to move through forests, this temporary road machine creates strong roads in even the roughest terrains, allowing military vehicles to pass through easily. Moreover, this machine also loads and unloads cars from ships. It can also construct a 32-meter road in just 5 minutes, a true marvel of efficiency. And here we are at our last machine. Experience the incredible power and efficiency of this road cleaner machine as it transforms streets into pristine condition.